This very girl now, this Olosho girl who call herself Igbo, a young girl like this who already have who have born 5 children and sell it inside baby factory. So you leave your Obi, who madman dey advise, you abandon Obi. You leave Soludo, a professor who abandoned 19 local government to IPOP terrorists. You leave Hope Zodima. You leave Oti, where they chop human being. You not talk about those governors. You can't carry your mouth, can't they talk to governor of Edo State. Now you elect Edo State governor. Are you from Edo State? The answer is no. Igbo people, why una no fit dey clean una nyash? Na somebody nyash una dey clean. Why it be like that, Igbo? Criminals. Look at this useless girl. A prostitute like you. Ashawo like you, wey na the Kanute they exchange with the wife. May God punish you. You carry that your useless mouth. You can't dey talk to Edo governor. Say, for what reason? For what? You no talk to useless Obi. Obi wey dey do nyash. Obi wey be criminal. Obi wey no wey dey talk like woman. I have one share, I have one she, I have one wristwatch. You no fit talk to Obi. Obi wey madman dey advise. A man who rule as a governor for good 8 years, but na Lagos he dey sleep. Are you guys not ashamed, Igbo people? Shameless people, evil people, descendants of Biara. Igbo is a descendant of Biara. A descendant for Judah the carrot. What is wrong with you people? What is wrong with you people? Evil people. Evil people. My do people, make una open una eye. Make una open una eye. See how Igbo they buy their people, they chop. If Igbo people can buy their people like that, what of you will not be Igbo? My do people, make una open eye. Edo wey dey abroad, wey dey America, wey dey all over the world, make una inform una family, make they shine their eye. Igbo not be friend of anybody. Igbo not be friend for anybody. They not be friend at all. Open your eye, shine your eye well. Shine your eye well. See this useless girl now. He no fit talk about wetin dey happen for Anambra. How they find themselves, how they chop themselves. This girl no fit talk about wetin dey happen for Imo State. He no fit talk wetin dey happen for Abia, wetin dey happen for Ebonyi, wetin dey happen for Enugu. See how they massacre themselves. See how they buy themselves, they eat. See how they sell their organ. This useless girl now, this Ashawo now. Wey na the Kanu. He na the Kanu do vaga this girl. He speed on inside his body, inside his vagina. This useless girl so. This girl now wey be enya, wey dey smell. Bekus wey take born 5 children and sell it. People wey they sell babies for baby factory. You can't open that your gutter mouth. Come they talk to Edo governor. May God punish you. Punish Aswen you. Aswen not Degiyeke. Aswen is not from Edo State. Let Aswen go and contest election in Anambra State. Let Aswen go and contest election for your wife, wherever your wife come from. That Biara woman. That prostitute woman. That idiot woman. Let Aswen, we will go vote for Aswen for Southeast, not before Edo State. Edo rejected Aswen Godaro. We rejected him. We don't need people like that. We speak it. We speak with our vote loud and clear. Edo people, indigenous of Edo, vote massive to Mode Okpeboro. That is the governor of Edo State. Edo vote for a massive. And the Edo indigenous rejected Aison Ighodaro because he's not from Edo State. Wetin con concern Igbo, con concern Edo election. Wetin concern Igbo, con concern wetin dey happen for Edo. You leave wetin dey happen for Southeast. You leave wetin dey happen for Anambra State, wey una dey kpai una sef dey chop. You leave wetin dey happen for Enugu State. You leave all those kpai wey una dey do. You come dey carry your mouth enter Edo, wetin no concern you. You say your papa, your mama na illiteracy. So Ludo wey be professor, he abandon 19 local government. Say Ludo no dey stay Anambra. Now from Abuja, now he dey rule Anambra. All the Igbo governor, all of them na Abuja, Lagos, they stay. Are you guys not ashamed? And this useless girl, you think say you sabi talk, may God punish you. Punish your generation. Punish all the governor of that Mumu Igbo Biara state wo na get there. May God punish you na Igbo people, Mumu people, people will not get brain. Bipolar patient people. You people are suffering for bipolar. Make una go hospital, go and seek for medical attention. 99% of Igbo are suffering for bipolar disease. Go and look for cure. May God punish you, punish your generation. That mouth where you can't speak to Edo governor, that your mouth na cancer na go chop am for you. God go punish you. Punish Obi. Obi wey be woman wey dey do nyash. Nigeria rejected Obi woefully. And all the Edo people wey support Obi that time, they made mistake. They think say Obi na better person. Any Edo man, any South wey go say want to support Obi, our ancestors will never forgive you. Yes, our ancestors will never forgive una. May God punish you.